What name?
Cruise.
What name?
Cruise.
C. Oh, so you go with the C.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Girls have C's. Boys have D's.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
That's not what she meant. She had a couple drinks.
Letter.
C-R-U-Z.
Yes.
Yeah, but a little boy name was $1.
Dollars?
No. It was almost Cash, and his last name's Baggy. Cash Baggy.
Cash baggy.
I didn't even realize it was like Cash. And someone was like, Fox.
Oh, that's a tough one.
How old?
6.5 months.
6.5 months.
Yesterday.
That's a good time to end this down. Yeah. This is called Two Birds. It's a weird name. I guess we haven't been announcing them very well.
It's all right.
Two Birds.
Verbs.
You lift me up so I can fall back down again. Light as a feather, we're just two birds of the same old skin. And when my cup is drained, I know you'll call the rain to fill it up the same. Release me from my pain, and if it overflows, down this street we'll roll towards those old crossroads to where it all began. I know you don't mean to feel so afraid of your guilt and shame. I hope they dissipate. Take time, go slow. We will find our place. When we find our place amidst this endless space, we are on our way towards the better days. The sun breaks through the gray and dries up all the rain. And here we are again. Here's our cup, my friend. The cycle never ends, and we will never quit. Look into my eyes. Can you see the light? Take it, shine it bright. Illuminate the night. Lose our place in time. No more days go by. Eons turn to weeks. In the air she speaks.
You will never walk your path alone. Every step we take, we're at home.
Hold your strength when I let you go. Looking inside while all unfolds. You drop me down so I can't touch the ground again. Strong as a stone, well, we're just carving this life with our hands. And when our cup is full, the moons will push and pull. The skies will open wide. The stars will show our signs. Our arrow flying straight. Our beacons guiding our way. And as the new day breaks, only love remains.
Somewhere like that.
one of the few people who's allowed to be me. I need it. We have one more, and it's called Rain Falls Down.